Yo, what's up guys, Nate Vlog here. Welcome back to my channel, Groovy Vibes. So we're out here, PV time, that's right. After all the rain here in the South Bay. How green it is. Oh, there's Mr. J, my dad. There he is. Alright.
Oh, they're nice and green.
Yeah. Let's check it out.
Ooh, look at this.
Oh yeah, look at that. What a difference from last time. I guess you can say it is now winter. We got the sweater on. Got it from the Philippines. On sale, Nike. Yeah. Chills. Hopefully it's not too muddy. We got Nikes on. Watch out, Nikes. Be careful. Right, here we are. Let's check out these PV cliffs. One of my favorite places to come visit. Oh shit! Oh, careful! Don't roll the ankle. Okay. Got a chain in the way. I gotta get there. I guess we'll go around. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, right there. There's Mr. J. Don't fall down. Careful. Wow, what a view, huh? Yeah, now you see why I love coming here? Incredible, huh? Got some fishing boats out there. I guess after a big massive storm, the fish come out. Extend this. There you go. Welcome to the South Bay. I got stuck behind the chain here. Alright, well there you go. Let's continue our PV adventures. I know how much you guys missed this.
I don't see it.
Oh, there's a trail.
Look, are these all new? These rocks were here, right?
No, they were here.
They were?
Yeah, those rocks are here.
It's all new to me. What's going on? It's like I've never been here before.
We've been here plenty of times. I'm surprised. Uh-oh.
What?
Recycling.
What happened?
Recycling. Money. Okay, so there's a trail right there. There's a trail down there. How do we get there? Over here.
How do we get up there? There's one hole, and then there's a couple holes unmarked.
Yeah. Maybe it's here. Is this it right here?
Yeah. Do I check it? I can't. I need a stick.
We'll find one. Come on. Okay, here we go. Careful. Muddy. Ooh. Oh man, I'm gonna have to clean these up. Oh, look at that. Oh, my cans! Oh.
You pooped it. Find me a stick.
Here, is this a stick?
Is it good? No good.
No. Oh.
Keep breaking it.
Oh. What's he doing? Let's go.
Find me anything. Next time I'm bringing my stick. Nathan, I don't know if I can do this. My ankles are killing me from yesterday. No, I can't do it, hon.
Come on.
Okay.
Oh, what is this
You're gonna
guy
have to
doing?
help me out. My ankles from yesterday are killing me. I need my stick. Why didn't I bring my stick? Nathan. Yesterday's basketball killed me. Oh, shit. All right. God, you got arms.
Adventures.
How come we never seen this before?
I guess it opened up from the rain.
No, everything's new here. We've never been here before. It's all new.
Workout.
Oh, look, nice little seat.
What's going on here?
I got me a little seat. Look at the surfers.
Oh yeah.
Maybe the rain did it. Look at the little rocks, like little islands. Look, the surfers right. Is it surfer or is that rocks? That's rocks.
All right, let's continue.
Nathan, we're watching the surfers. I don't see that every day. Actually, it's working. Oh, see how this is gated out?
Yeah.
See this?
This was a.
Get through
Yeah.
Let's go. See that?
Right.
Oh, no, what
Yeah, this is all sliding in. Soon all this will be in the ocean.
There we go. Yeah, there. There we go. See? Nathan, time out. How far does this go? I hope it comes out.
Yeah.
But there's no road up there. We gotta come back this way? Nathan.
Let's find out. Workout. Hold on, what is this? Do we need this?
We used to have one of those.
What
See
is?
that? We used to have one in my front yard. These. You can't eat them.
No, you don't eat that.
I remember I had this dog cross the street, came over and ate them. They attract butterflies.
This is hiking. Uh-oh, okay, which way? Left or right? Which way? Left or right?
No. That's the way back, huh?
Let me just see what's over here.
Yeah, we did a nice little walk.
Is this the way back? Oh no, this goes down. I think this, yeah, it goes all the way down. Tired. This way goes down.
No. Let's go.
All right, let's go.
Let's go back up to the road.
Yeah, this way.
Nathan, this way.
Yeah, we're over.
Nathan, get over here. What's the matter with you, crazy? Get over here. Get back on the road. You fall down, that's it. Done. over.
That's it, huh?
No, you're over. You're not really. You break a lot of bones. You live though. But what you want to be in a cast for 9 months?
I think it's a trail. So here's a bridge we go over to get to our. Yeah. So we need to go this way.
The road? Where you want to get up there?
Well,
You can go
right
this
over
way
there.
right here to where they're at.
Oh.
Come on.
Okay.
How's the house going?
Oh yeah, here. Oh. All right.
It's resting. Oh, look at this.
Yeah, what is this?
Check this out.
What do you think this was?
Wow, it's interesting, huh?
Oh wait,
Wow, look at this.
there's a street here. Oh, I didn't know about this. Alright, well, I guess we're not going down there.
It's something else, huh?
Yeah.
Boy, we discovered something new. So cool. What does this snow for? Where's the copper thing?
So how do we get back now? Do we go on? Oh, do we have to go up there to cross over?
Yeah, okay, I'm done hiking for the day.
How do we get back to the car? Climb up here to get to the main road. Do not enter unstable ground. Oh, here we go. There's a pathway for pedestrians. Thought we had to go on the street. Oh, we're good. Alright.
Oh, look. Look.
What?
My knees. You know, I played basketball for 2 days in a row.
So we have to loop around. Where's all the supercars at? Must be a nice road for them to take. Huh? Look at that. What's going on around here? Oh my gosh, my Nikes. Oh,
Are you all dirty?
oh man.
Are you serious, Nathan? Baby, my new shoes. You're going?
All right, we did it.
We found a new trail, new hiking, new adventures. You never know what you're gonna find. Something new every time we come up here. Now, I'm done.
All right. We burned some calories for sure. Hi, so we started all the way down there. We went around all through here and then came around. Yeah. Yeah. That was hike, huh?
Never knew it was there. And this is all new. I never.
No.
Never seen
We seen this. We're good. All right. Almost to the car. What happened?
This is nice. Look at this. This is nice. So much better when it rains. Where's the stinking car? This is nice. I like it when it's rain. Here, Nathan.
There's the car.
Oh, look.
The car. Found the car. Alright, recycling. Alright everybody, well hope you guys enjoy that. PV adventure hiking. Like to go out here and get some good exercise. Mr. J sure needs it. I need it. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. So like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit up the PayPal, the Venmo, description down below. Alright. Got to get back and clean my Nike shoes. Alright, bye-bye.